In this video, I will show you the PHAsisMANAGER, our inspection data management software for PHAsis ultrasonic inspection devices for spot welds and short step welds. The inspection devices, users, setup parameter, inspection plans, and inspection results are managed within the PHAsisMANAGER. The creation of test plans with the PHAsisMANAGER is done in just a few steps in a clearly arranged component structure. Model, group, part, related to the part, the test items such as spot welds, and the test plan. Each test plan contains the optimal inspection and evaluation parameters for each spot weld, so that the operator no longer has to adjust any values such as wall thicknesses or inspection sensitivity while inspecting a component. Thus, the operator can focus only on the inspection. Additionally, it's possible to add component images to the test plan. In these images, the next test positions of spot welds are marked and displayed to provide best visual support for the operator. The created test plan data within the PHAsisMANAGER can be synchronized to each PHAsis inspection device of the PHAsis family, so that consistent test data is available on all devices. Hereby, the test devices can be used independently in every location inside and outside the factory. The PHAsis inspection result data can be transferred to the manager's database via synchronization. With the PHAsis viewer, the results, the ultrasonic raw data, and the parameters used for inspection can be viewed at any time. With the PHAsisMANAGER, it's also possible to connect common QA systems so that the inspection results can be transferred directly to the component live database.